How to restore iPhone from backup. It depends on the way you back up. This video will detail how to restore iPhone data from iCloud or iTunes. Way 1. How to restore iPhone from backup with iCloud. Tap Settings app. Tap Apple ID at the top of the screen. Tap iCloud. Enable iCloud Backup. Click Backup now. Wait patiently for the process to complete. Go back to the Settings menu. Tap General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings to erase your iPhone. Your iPhone will restart and display the Hello screen. Then follow the instructions below to restore your iPhone from iCloud backup. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup option. Sign into your Apple ID and select the most relevant backup to restore. Way 2. How to restore iPhone from backup after setup with iTunes. Turn off Find My on your iPhone. Then connect it to the computer. Launch iTunes. Click on the iPhone icon. Click on the Restore Backup option. Select the backup file you want to restore from the list of available backups. Click Restore and wait for the process to finish. After that, your iPhone will restart and recover all data. Way 3. How to restore a backup on iPhone without resetting. Connect the iPhone to the PC. Make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Go to support.apple.con. Download and install iSunshare iSync Genius on your computer. Launch the software. Select Backup. Check and confirm your device information. Then click Next. Choose the backup type. Choose all backups. Choose the path where you want to save the backup. Then click the Start button. Wait patiently for the backup process to finish. When you want to restore the backup to iPhone, choose Restore option. Then select the backup file. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.